Wood is a durable material that can last for many years with proper care. This make it a great choice for favorite furniture and decor items that are intended to be used in long time. Wood furniture and home decor items play a significant role in interior design and can greatly impact the overall look and feel of the space. Here are some reasons why wood furniture and decor items are important. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel and
then you can utilize in a better way again and again. So let's get started. Woodcraft have always been a popular way for people to express their creativity and showcase their skills. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or just starting out, the- there are endless possibilities. When it comes to crafting with wood, in this article, you will be exploring some great woodcraft ideas that you can try at your home. One of the easiest and most accessible scrap woodcraft for beginner is making scrap wooden picture frame. You will need some scrap wood, a saw, sandpaper, and some finishing products like paint and the varnishes. You can create frame at different sizes and the shapes and personalize them by painting or carving design onto the surface. They make for great gift and can be also sold as a simple yet beautiful product. Another simple and the trendy craft that you can make from scrap wood is a slice coaster. All you need are very small slices of wood, sandpaper, and some varnish. You can create a variety of design by painting or staining the slice by adding small details like cork or the felt banding on the bottom to protect the surface. They are the perfect for your own home and it's a gift for friends who love to entertain. Wooden jewelry books can be a perfect gift for some special and it can also be a great project for beginner woodworker. You will need a saw, sandpaper and some finishing product like paint as well as hinges and a clap for the box, and you can personalize the box with the carving and painting design or buying using different types of wood for a unique look. If you are looking for a simple but stylish woodcraft project, consider making wooden candle holder. You can use scrap wood or purchase small pieces from the hardware store and customize them with the paint and the stain. They are perfect for adding cozy touch to your home decor and giving a gift to a friend. If you want to try your hand to making wooden toys, there are many options are available. Simple designs like building blocks, puzzle pieces, and can be easily made with a scrap wood and a saw. For more complex design like cars and animals, you will need a template or a pattern. These are the great for children or as a nostalgic gift for the adult who remember playing with the wooden toys as a child. The scrapwood craft have several benefits including eco-friendly. Using scrapwood for your project is an excellent way to repurpose waste and reduce your carbon footprints and reduce your environment impact. Scrapboard is an often available at a little or to no cost, making it an affordable material for crafting. Working with scrapwood can inspire creativity as it challenges you to think outside the box and find a new users for the old materials. Each piece of the scrap wood has its own unique characteristics, such as green pattern and knots, which can add a character and interest to your project. Scrap woodcraft can also be require minimal tools, making them accessible to the people with little or no woodworking experience. Scrap woodcraft can be customized to suit your individual style and the preference, making them a personal and a meaningful addition to your home or the gift giving. Overall, scrap would offer a fun and a rewarding way to express creativity while also being environment friendly and the budget friendly too. The scrap woodcraft is popular in many parts of the world. There are likely many different style techniques and depending on the region, where some areas that are well known for their woodworking and the craft design. Scandinavian countries such as Norway, Sweden, and Finland are known for their long tradition of woodworking and the furniture making and often use scrap or reclaimed wood to working and the furniture making. With many as artisans and the craftspeople using reclaimed or the scrap wood to create a unique and a sustainable piece. Many African countries have a rich history of woodworking, craft making, and use a variety of material, including scrap wood, or create intricate carving, masks, and other